Riley, you want to tell our viewers what do you got going on here today? You're watching the trailer? So what's this teaching you how to do?
Watch the trailer.
And what else? Be what? What? Right, but what else?
Respectful.
No.
Responsible.
That's right, responsible. So we just took the trailer to go pick up the log splitter. We had to take a tractor with us, and we were out in the rain, and the trailer got all mudded up. So right now Riley's washing all the mud off. Wow, you getting paid to do this? Are you charging me a lot of money? Wow. More than I can afford? So the first part of washing the trailer is what? Rinsing it? We have to get all of the... Yep, we have to get all of the dirt, grime, and all the stuff that's loose. Get all that off, and then we can get into it with some suds. Riley, we need a big smile here, buddy. That's not a smile. A cheesy smile. Love it. This is a great thing to have your kids partake in. This is something that's so simple. They learn how to take care of stuff, washing stuff. So it teaches them to have things orderly, neat, clean, well maintained, organized. Helps set them up for a successful life. This is good stuff. Take care, friends.